Hey everyone, want to save some cash on StockX? Let me show you how to find working promo codes in just a few easy steps. First of all, open your Google browser and type in StockX promo codes in the search bar. Now you will see several websites pop up like Retail Me Not, Coupon Follow, or others. Click on any of these trusted sites to find a list of promo codes. Copy one of the codes that looks valid and check for any specific terms or expiration dates. Finally, paste the code at checkout and see the discount applied instantly. If one code doesn't work, try another until you find one that does. And that's it. Simple, quick, and easy. Try it out now and save big on StockX. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.